Okay, so today you're going to do two contour line drawings. You get one sheet of tracing paper that's very big. You're going to fold it in half, stick your drawing inside of there, and you're going to do one that's really detailed and one that's not so detailed. So after you finish, when you're doing your contour line drawings, you're going to make sure that you draw the whole thing without picking your pencil up off of the paper. The first one you're gonna, well, actually it could be first or second. You're gonna do one that's super detailed, one that's just the basics, like as little as you can possibly do and still let people know what it is. When you're finished at the end of the hour, you are going to take a picture of both of these. You'll unfold the paper, take a picture of both of these and turn it in. So this should take you pretty much most of the hour. If you want to do a third, you can. You only get one sheet of tracing paper. If you move on to the third, you're going to have to use just copy paper, which we have a ton of, and you can use that either on the light table or you can use the windows to do it. So, and I want you to think about the lines that we've made in order to make our names and how those work. And those are the lines that you're going to use because we know that that's what the wire will do. You don't want to run too far with your lines. Like as far as I'm running right now is probably the extent of what you want to do. And apparently this this bug has some shade and shadows underneath them because I'm getting too many lines with this. What we're doing right now is we're going to look at the difference between the highly detailed one and the not so detailed one and see which ones will work better for us. So, as I showed you on those pictures yesterday, some of them are going to be better than others. So when I do this, this is one of the drawings that I have. I did it without lifting my pencil up off the paper. I'll flip this over. I'm going to do another one that this one we'll call highly detailed, although that's pretty ugly. And we'll flip it over and we'll do it on the other side. And this one I want to break this down into just the basic lines to get a real idea of what animal I'm doing. But it still should be recognizable from what you got going on. So, again, don't do too much. Or don't run your lines too far because we've realized that when we do that, the wire gets super floppy. Like that might be an issue right there, even that part around the body. You only get one piece of tracing paper. So like I said, if you mess up, you're going to have to use 2 pieces of the regular copy paper that we did, like our step 4 on. And I'm expecting that you all will take your time on this. Actually, both of these are pretty simple drawings. Neither one of these was my detail. So then at the end of the hour, you're going to take this. You're going to put your regular one right there with it. And then this is the picture that I'll take for my post in order to turn in the assignment. Got me? Okay, you all have a lovely time. Be good for Miss Ferris. Thanks.